Hey guys, so today we're going to make the heart ornament, and I have my wooden ring, I have my 12 pieces of cord cut to 18 inches, and we're going to attach them with the lark's head knot. So you fold it in half, you find the center point, and just go through the loop like that, open it up through the bottom, and you pull it through, and then tighten it. Okay, as you can see, I've attached all 12 of the cord using the lark's head knot. And now today we're actually going to work from the behind because we don't want these ones showing. So there we go, and we're just going to go through and give it one last tightening. Make sure that they're all lined up. That looks good. And we're going to take half and half, so we'll go 6 lark's head knot on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make sure that's 6. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the very first cord here, and we're going to do clove hitch knots, double hitch knots I should say, and we're going to work our way all the way down to the center. So this is going to be our filler cord, and we'll take the very next one and we go over like that, so it's a figure 4 on top, go through that loop and then pull it in nice and tight. So for each of the cords, the working cords, we're going to do that twice. Okay, now we've done all 6 of those, so it should be 12 cords total. And now we're going to stop there in the center, and we're going to do the same to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So taking that first one, and we're going to work our way down. Now that I've done both sides, I'm going to connect the two. I'm going to continue using this right hand guide rope, and I'm going to tie that guide rope from the left hand side, and I'm going to do 2 of the same knots to join them in the center. Okay, so now you can see it's starting to take shape, and I will start to trim just under an inch, and I'm going to do it fairly close to the same size the entire way around, and then we will work more on the shape after. Okay, now that I've done the first trim, I'm just going to use this pet brush, or you can use a regular comb. Actually, I'll use my pet brush just because it's easier. And I'm just going to work my way around. As you can see, I have combed it out completely. I flipped it over and I combed from each side. Now we're going to kind of follow this, and we're going to make it shorter on the top parts to make it the real shape of a heart. It'll come out right here and then come in a little bit down here. So now to finish it off, I'm going to take that piece of jute, fold it in half, find the center just as we did with the others, pull it through there, make a hoop on top, and I'm just going to pull it nice and tight so those two are lined up. And you can add a little wooden bead there, whatever you'd like, but for me, I'm just going to tie a regular knot at the top. And it's done.